Okay, here we are. 10 Mile Road, a little bit north of Holapaw. Never been here before, so let's ride. It says dead end, but when I was checking out on the maps, it looked like quite a long road. It's apparently part of Deseret Cattle Ranch. And for those of you that do not know, Deseret Cattle Ranch is a huge part of Central Florida here. It's one of the largest calf cattle ranches in the world. Couple of sandhill cranes, always pretty to see. Sandhill crane, a protected species here in Florida. Pretty healthy looking cattle. Hey, Mr. Turtle. You're okay. Do you need help? No, you're good. I don't know how far back here we're going to be able to go. But let's explore. Vultures and dragonflies, pretty good spot. Maybe the vultures are waiting for me. Well, I don't know where we're going. But let's explore again. Okay, I guess we see the dead end now.